Hey, so if GatherTown is not working for you, maybe it's not loading, crashing, or just acting weird. Yeah, don't worry. Most of these issues are easy to fix. Let me walk you through the best solutions step by step. First, check if GatherTown is actually down. Sometimes it's not your problem at all, it's a server issue. For example, there have been recent login and joining issues, but they were fixed quickly. So, yeah, always check first. Next, try refreshing the page. It sounds simple, but honestly, this fixes a lot of temporary glitches. Make sure you're using a supported browser like Chrome. Some browsers, like Firefox Mobile, may not work properly with Gather. Now, check your internet connection. Gather needs a stable connection for video, audio, and movement, so weak internet can cause loading or disconnect issues. If it's still not working, clear your browser cache or update the app. Outdated files can break features or cause crashes. On mobile, try force stopping the app, clearing cache, or reinstalling it. Yeah, this usually fixes crashes or black screens. Make sure your camera and microphone permissions are enabled. If they're blocked, Gather might not work properly. If nothing works, try switching devices like from mobile to desktop. Some issues only happen on certain devices or apps. And if you're still stuck, contact Gather support. Some issues, like login bugs or space errors, need to be fixed on their side. So yeah, that's how you fix most GatherTown problems in just a few minutes. One of these steps should get everything working again. If this helped, check out more quick guides like this.